Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage a side hustle with Fiverr, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your skills and determining what services you can offer on Fiverr. Make a list of your strengths, interests, and expertise. Research the Fiverr marketplace to identify popular gigs related to your skills. Analyze competitors in your chosen category to understand their offerings and pricing. Create a comprehensive profile on Fiverr that highlights your skills and experience. Use a professional profile picture to make a strong first impression. Write a captivating description that clearly outlines your set competitive prices for your services, considering your experience and market rates. Develop attractive gig images and videos that showcase your work effectively. Optimize your gig title using relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Craft a detailed gig description, explaining what buyers can expect and how you will deliver. Establish a timeline for delivery, ensuring it's realistic and manageable. Promote your gigs on social media platforms and relevant online communities. Engage with potential clients by responding promptly to inquiries. Maintain high-quality standards in your work to ensure positive reviews. Regularly update your gigs based on market trends and feedback from clients. Stay organized by creating a schedule that balances your side hustle with other commitments. Use productivity tools to track your tasks and manage client communications efficiently. Set aside specific time blocks each week dedicated to working on Fiverr orders. Evaluate your performance periodically to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your strategies based on the lessons learned from each completed project. Continue learning and enhancing your skills to remain competitive in the Fiverr marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.